Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can buy pet supplies in Heartopia. So if your furry companion running low on kibble, or are you looking forward to spoil them with some brand new toys, in here I'm going to show you exactly where to go to stock up on all the essential for your pets. So first you can just open the map, and in here you can just find the one with this paw icon. You can find Mrs. Joan. So just click on track to make it easier for you to find her. Okay, I'm going to hop on my Vespa and find her in the city central. So once you found her, okay, so this is her inside this shop right here. You can just interact with her. Click on this button and now you can just go to the pet store. So this is where you can find your pet supplies, which includes food, pet costume, and also maybe the cat bed or flower or cat tree like this, or even the suit. So you can just choose which one to buy. For example, I'm going to buy the sailor suit. Click on purchase, and here I'm going to also buy the food. Here you can choose the quantity and click on purchase, and that's it. So that's how you can buy for pet supplies in Heartopia. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.